Okay, let's proceed to our discussion on the numeric word problems or number-based word problems, or simply call it number problems. So we still have about 3 or 4 more problems in this topic before we proceed to the next topic, which is the rate problems. Okay, so for this number 21, one number is greater than thrice the other number by 2. No, again, one number is greater than thrice the other number by 2. If 4 times the smaller exceeds the greater by 5, find the numbers. So we don't know the numbers. So let us let x and y be the numbers, or let x and y be the two numbers, such that x is greater than y. So this is our assumption that x is greater than y. Okay, so from this statement, one number is greater than thrice the other number by 2. So if you consider one number as x, it says that one number is, so the word is means equals, greater than thrice the number by 2. Thrice the other number. So the other number, if one number is x, the other number is y. So 3 times the other number means 3y. And we know that in addition, in numeric word problems, so addition statement quite often written backwards. So it says number 2, so greater than thrice the other number by 2. So we go backward. So x is equal to 3y plus 2. So this is our equation 1. Then if we read the problem further, if 4 times the smaller number, okay, so we consider x as the greater number from this statement. X is greater than y, so it means the smaller number is y. So it says that if 4 times the smaller, so the smaller number is y, 4 times means 4 times y, exceeds the greater number by 5. Exceeds, the word exceeds means plus. So that also understood to be equal to this symbol. So this is an action word like our verb be, like S, R, will be. So we translated it into equals. So in this case, we can also translate this is equal to this symbol, which is equals. But at the same time, exceeds means plus. So this understood plus. Exceed the greater. So the greater is x. Exceed the greater by 5. So plus 5. So this is our second equation. So this is 2 equations and 2 variables. So 2 equations in 2 variables, or 2 variables in 2 equations. So we can solve this by substitution method, or we can do elimination method. So it depends on you which method is easier for you. So for me, it's easier to do or use the substitution method. So if you look at equation 1, x is in terms of y. Then our equation 2, we have x. So we can substitute x in 1 to equation 2. So our x on the right side is 3y plus 2. So let's substitute that value to our equation 2. So our equation 2, we have 4y equal to x, where x is equal to 3y plus 2. Then substituting the value of x, so 3 times, this is plus 5. So this is the value of our x. So our x is 3y plus 2. So we replace x here by 3y plus 2. Then we still have plus 5. So 4y equal to, combining 2 and 5. So we have 3y plus 7. So we can now solve for y by using the technique that I taught you in the other videos. So let's subtract both sides by 3y. So subtract this by 3y. So on the right side, we have positive 3y cancels with a negative 3y equal to 0. Then we have on the right side, what is left is positive 7. No need to write the sign. So this is understood to be plus 7. 4y minus 3y is equal to 1y, or simply y. So therefore, we have y equal to 7. This is our smaller number. So to solve for the other number, we substitute y equal to 7 in our equation 1. Okay, here. So our equation 1, x is equal to 3y plus 2. Substituting the value of y. So 3 times y is 7 plus 2. So x is equal to 21 plus 2, or x is equal to 23. Okay, so we have solved the greater number. So the problem says find the numbers. So therefore, the numbers x and y are 23 and 7. So this is our final answer. Okay, so I hope you have followed it. If you have any questions, just leave your message in the comment section. Thank you.